Hello, this is Nathaniel Oxford, the Oxford, with a clarinet tutorial video for the song A Quarter's Worth. A Quarter's Worth is in our red book on page 8. It's number 15, and it is the second song, the yellow belt, in the band karate series. So what we're going to do today is just review the clarinet a little bit, and then I'm going to go through this song 3 times. First, I am going to say it on the note names. Second time, I'm going to play it, and then the third time, I'm going to do it with the accompaniment track. All of the backing tracks can be found at the link below in the description, and I would invite you to practice it with the backing track as well. It makes it a lot of fun, and the backing track keeps going at a steady beat no matter what. Even if you make a little mistake, it'll keep going, and it'll make you keep going, which is what's going to build your skill on the clarinet, and the better you play, the more fun it is. So here's A Quarter's Worth, number 15. I'm going to go through the note names, but notice as I do, I'm going to do the fingerings, but I'm going to raise my fingers really high. I said this in the last video, but when you play clarinet, you don't want your fingers to go up really high, but as the teacher, it helps for everybody in the band room to be able to see my fingers. When I raise them really high, I just don't do that when I really play the clarinet because I need to have them close to the keys so they're ready to play at any time. Number 15, A Quarter's Worth. Let's get the tones in our ears, the pitches. All right. 1, 2, ready, go. E, 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 E. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 D. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 C. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 C. All right, let's play it. Remember, when you play, your left hand's on top and your right thumb holds up the clarinet. It's at that first joint, the one with the thumbnail. Teeth go on top. Your lips are a soft pillow on bottom, and hopefully you're still practicing the clarinet with a mouthpiece and barrel only before you put the whole instrument together, and getting that really high F-sharp tone with the E in the back of your mouth and the ooh in the front of your mouth. Ew, E. That's what's going to center your clarinet tone, make it a really, really nice resonant tone, and keep your notes on pitch. I'm going to play it now. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's do it with the accompaniment track now.
Number 15, A Quarter's Worth. 1, 2, ready, play.